Hello, dear students and friends. A very new update has come from UGC NET, and this update is regarding the exam dates. And you can see on the right side, public notice dated 1st October 2021, rescheduling of the examination dates for UGC NET December 2020 and June 2021 cycle. So this notice has come just now, I think, because I just got a message from one group, and you can see the notice there. It is of today's notice, rescheduling of the examination dates, and what is written there in continuation of to the public notice dated 3rd of September 2021 regarding rescheduling of the examination dates for UGC NET December 2020 and June 2021 cycles. It has been decided to further reschedule the dates of the UGC NET December 2020 and June 21 cycles. What are the reasons? These are also explained here. Representations are being received from candidates seeking for the rescheduling of the dates of the UGC NET December 2020 and June 2021 cycles on account of difficulties being experienced by them due to clashes with some major examinations on 6th and 7th October 2021. So the reasons are there. Some major examinations are also scheduled on those dates on 6th and 7th of October. That's why this exam of UGC NET has been rescheduled by NTA, and the revised dates are as written here. For before, it was Wednesday 6 to Friday 8 October 2021 and Sunday 17 to Tuesday 19 October 2021. Now the revised dates are Sunday 17 to Monday 25 October 2021. So this is the change which has come just now in a public notice. It is mentioned by NTA. So please go through this and know the dates so that you can prepare properly, and you can get the admit card on time also, because many students are asking for admit card consistently. Don't worry, friends, it will come to you. And UGC or NTA will remind you by sending an SMS also. So don't worry at all regarding the admit card. The dates are changed now. So this 6th and 7th October 2021 examination will not be conducted. It is rescheduled, and the new schedule includes the dates Sunday 17 to Monday 25 October. So I think the 3rd week of this month, okay, October month's 3rd week is there, and the detailed date sheet will be updated soon. So there will be an updated sheet on the website of NTA, and it will cover all the dates and days for each and every subject. So wait for this. It will be updated, and when it will be updated, I will update, and I will upload one video also regarding that. Candidates are advised to regularly visit NTA website and for the latest updates regarding the examination. You can also be the part of such groups which are posting such updates. So don't worry, you will be a part of examination. Rather than worrying, you can just prepare more on about this examination, or you can prepare something new. Okay, you can practice more. So that's all. If you have any query or question, you can put your comments in the groups of Telegram and WhatsApp. Comments are disabled on this channel because some of the students are sharing very unnecessary comments. So rather than that, you all have my number, and you can also send me the SMS and WhatsApp. You can also comment in the Telegram. So that's all. Keep watching the videos, keep preparing for the examination, keep practicing your knowledge, apply it somewhere. Okay, thank you so much.